I'm getting ready to show you how to cover this bald spot.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Hey guys, so what's up? We're getting ready to cover up this bald spot, and we're going to do a really quick hairstyle in a low ponytail with some braided hair. So what I'm doing is just parting my hair like a little bang section in the middle, and I just want my ponytail to have the sides kind of going around the sides of my temple and that little bang piece pulled back. So I'm going in with my favorite, the Shine and Jam. I love this product, and it holds my hair down and it gives me an amazing shine. And as you can see, the way I'm brushing my ponytail, this method, if you have thin edges like myself, it kind of disguises the bald spot. So that's the reason why I kind of pull the ponytail this way. So I'm just going ahead, slicking that ponytail down and tying it into a low ponytail. Then I'm going to take some braiding hair in just a second. I just want you to see what I'm looking like after I tie this ponytail down. You can see the traction, alopecia, and the thinning on the sides of my hairline, but we're going to cover that up, and I'm going to go in with my favorite product, the Kiss Quick Cover Stick. It's the quick gray cover stick, and this is in dark brown. I use the dark brown because I feel like the black just stands out a little bit too much, but you just want to take this product and use a little at a time and just tap it in, blend it in with your finger. This product is really tacky, so it sticks and it adheres to the scalp very well. If you don't want it to transfer, you can go ahead and take some hairspray and spray it on top after you blended it out. And what I'm doing is taking some strips and tying it down, just letting it mold down for about 15-20 minutes. So now I've let it mold down. My hair is still a little damp from the gel, but that's okay. It's down the way I like it. And now I'm taking this braided ponytail hair, just tying it around my bun, and just securing that. And this is such a simple hairstyle. I'm going to go ahead and flip that over, and then I'm going to take a little small section of that hair and just wrap it around the ponytail so that it looks like it's coming out of my scalp and you can't see like a mark of demarcation or where I tied the rubber band. And then after that, then you're just going to go in and take some bobby pins, pin that section down. Once you've pinned the ponytail down, you're going to go ahead into the next step, and we're just going to twist and divide the hair into two sections. And this is a quick ponytail, so we're going to divide this into two sections. You can do braids if you want. I did two big jumbo twists. This is really like a simple style. You can do this totally getting dressed in the morning. Go ahead and start the hair first, mold it down, put your makeup on, and boom, you're out the door. So you're going to take two little ponytails with twists. You're going to rubber band them on the end, and once you got them in place, then you're just going to go ahead and wrap them around. Now you can totally wear it like this. The first style is where I'm just wrapping the first section around. You can go just like this with the ponytail after you pin this down and wear that one side wrapped around with the ponytail twist hanging out the back. I wasn't going for this look today, so I'm going to go ahead and take the next section and wrap it around like so, pin it up, and basically this is like the look. You can add some hair jewels. This is pretty much the finished look. I'm adding some oil sheen to just give me some extra added shine, and this is the final look. Real quick and easy. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mom.